First annual Big Rock Blue Marlin tournament continues this week.
Right now, Wolverine is in the lead, reeling in a 588-pound blue marlin Monday. This is just one catch of the tournament. 90 Your Side's Camila Barco is live in Morehead City to explain what happens to the fish after the competition. Camila.
Well, Shayla, Ken, it's a simple process that goes a long way for researchers. Boats will come here to Big Rock Landing to weigh in their fish once hoisted up the scales by weighmasters. The fish are then loaded onto a truck and transferred to a nearby research institution. Crowds have been lining up near Big Rock Landing awaiting the arrival of a fisherman's catch of the day. But once they're weighed, nearby research institutions are at hand to conduct studies on the fish.
We sample every single blue marlin that's been brought into the tournament.
Dr. Jeff Buckle is a professor at North Carolina State University's Center for Marine Sciences and Technology. Since 1988, 131 blue marlin have been sampled at the lab.
This year so far, there were 9 fish brought in Monday and Tuesday, and we sampled all 9 of those blue marlin.
Dr. Buckle's team studies the diets of the fish to compare what the species are eating and if there are any changes in their eating habits. Through their testing, researchers have found that frigid and bullet mackerel species are important food sources for dolphin and wahoo.
And that's a result of our work as well as others along the East Coast that have found those 2 prey species to be important food for these animals.
Research from decades ago have also shown the long-term decline of the total mercury content in the blue marlin tissue.
That's a good thing. It's showing the reduction in the mercury content that's deposited into the ocean.
Institutions like Duke University and University of North Carolina have also taken part in research.
We also take liver samples for heavy metal analysis.
Findings can depend on what they're studying, but Buckle says the answer to their questions have led to finding out more about these marine animals. Now, fun fact, the dolphin, fish, and blue marlin can grow up to 3 feet within a year. Live in Morehead City, Camila Barco, 9 on Your Side.
Camila, thank you.